Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix internet problem in your device Oppo A57e. So if you're facing internet problems in your device Oppo A57e, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix internet problem in your device.